How's it going everyone? My name is Kevin. Welcome to a brand new series on this channel. So in this series, we're gonna learn how to use UITableView in Swift. It's very common in iOS applications, so you can see it everywhere, such as Facebook Messenger and Instagram. Some apps look like this, which allows us to go up and down this list right here. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to use this. Let's go ahead and create new project. So first thing first, we need to know we have to download a code editor from your app store, or you can access developer.apple.com and scroll down. You can see it right here. So click on it to download it. So I just need to create a new project and hit create. And I'm going to select single view application right here and hit next. So let's call it Kienphamdeveloper.io. So you can name whatever you want and hit next. If you ask where you want to save this project and hit create. Okay. Wait, load. Okay. What do we have inside editor? Inside editor we have main.storyboard right here and view controller.swift right here. And click on main.storyboard right here, as you can see that. So right now we just need to wrap a new table view from object library and click right here to open your object library, and you just need to say table and wrap it and put it right here. So let's do it quickly out to there for that, and open pin menus, and I'm going to pin to the left and pin to the right and pin to the top, pin to the bottom and pin to the top. And I want my table view 0 from the left and 0 from the bottom and 0 from the right and 0 from the top. And please make sure that constraint margins is unchecked. And as for constraints, as you can see that we are pinned to hold the print, and right now we just need to create a new file. It is subclass of UITableView controller, and create a new file, and I'm going to choose Cocoa Task class for iOS and its name. So let's call it category. And I also want to create XIB file, and please make sure that check on it and hit next. If you add where you want to save this file, and you just need to hit create. Alright, if you create the two files, category cell.swift and category cell.xib, and click on category cell.xib. So we need to direct a new image and label from object library and click over here. So we just need to say image and put it right here and click over here to direct right here and put it right here. And I just need to hit command and select all of them, and I'm going to embed them inside of stack view. Okay, pretty cool. Let's do it quickly out to left for that, and I just need to open pin menu, and I'm going to pin to the left and pin to the right and pin to the bottom and pin to the top. And I want my stack view 20 from the left and 20 from the right and 20 from the top and 20 from the bottom. And make sure that constraint margins is unchecked, and hit enter to add for constraints. And I'm going to set height and width for my image and check on it, and width equal 100 and height equal 100, and add the constraints. Okay, and I'm going to select category cell, and right now we just need to click right here to show the assistant editor. Okay, right here. So okay, right now we need to hook up all of them IP outlets. So we just from other image view, we just need to hit control and the rag is inside your code, and it should be an IP outlet. So let's call it image name and his connect. And from our label, we just need to hit control and the rag is inside your code, and it should be IP outlets. So we just need to say name t and hit enter to connect it. Alright, so right now we just need to create a new file. Can I have her store the information? So we need to create structure that will hold cell data. In cell data, we want it has two variables. One of them will be the image, and the second one is going to be label go along with that image. So let's go ahead create new file. Okay, I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to select Swift and his name. And so let's call it category. And okay, and his create. So inside this, we need to create new structure, and I just need to say struct right here, open color brace, and we just need to say category right here. So we need to create two variables. So we need to say var image type of string and var name colon string. So right now I need to initialize init methods and init, and we take two variables, as you say image and name. So right now I'm going to set that, and I just need to say self dot image equal image and self dot name equal name. And for now we just need to hit Command R to run your project, and I want to see what we get. Alright, so I want to make sure it doesn't show anything, and I want to make sure my application doesn't crash. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to display your data, but for now I need to cut this video right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.